Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Clouds are back, but that's not gonna stop us from going out. And if you didn't know, there's a festival I just heard about a couple weeks ago that I didn't know existed, and I didn't know that we grew this particular plant. So let's get on going to the Lavender Festival. To Cherry Valley. There's already a lot of people here. The event starts at 5, so we'll see what they have in store for us here today. All right, let's give this maze a try. Such a handsome boy. You're handsome. California in my mind. There's no hi. I long to see you when the day is done. Nice to meet you, Mia. Nice to meet you. We should have lived a life together. All right, Mia. Thank you. Mia. We should have loved each other, baby.
just like a drum. I hear your rhythm, you feel so near. Oh, California, all senses clear. I'll be
Hello, Mr. Rabbit. Don't worry. for joining me. I hope you had a good and relaxing time. It was lovely to see the lavender fields out there. I believe we went during mid-bloom, so which is right about when buds start full bloom, so which is still beautiful. And hopefully we can go back next year, as I know a lot of the blooms this year have been pretty late since we have so much rain and cloudy weather, so not too much sunshine in terms of the actual time it's supposed to bloom. And I believe the season is between May through July, but I will put the link in the description to 123 Farm if you want to check out next year's blooms or any other festival events that they have throughout the year. And the food itself was pretty delicious. You could actually taste the lavender flavor in the lemonade and in the sandwich that we got, so that was pretty cool. But also lavender is also one of my favorite flowers and I love the smell of it, so going there was actually a treat for me. Thanks so much for joining me once again. Do come back next week as I have a whole new adventure for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. And if you have any suggestions or places you'd like us to see, let me know in the comments, and who knows, you may just see it here on the channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'll see you all next week. Take care.